Hi everyone. Today I have a review of this Monegasque gold luster dust because this is a brand that I had not heard of before, but the company sent me a jar to look at and it's really good. It gives you a good color. It comes in a sealed container. You can see that I opened that up. You can use it dry or wet, so it's a normal luster dust. It is fully edible. It's made of mica and then food grade pearlescence, and it says on the label that it is edible and it is kosher, halal, gluten-free, let's see, vegan. Let me take a look at the thing, dairy-free. So it has, it's good for a lot of dietary restrictions. And this is brushing it on wafer paper dry. It does have a shine. It's not, obviously luster dust on wafer paper is never as good as the wet. So dry, it's good for, I would say, like if you're going to shake it in fondant pearls, then that will give it a good shine. But if you're putting it on something that's porous, it will kind of, absorb a little bit. It's not going to be as reflective as if you put it on wet, but I will show you what it looks like wet in a minute. Now this is an icing sheet and I'm trying to peel it off to show you. Yeah, so it's thicker, it's more opaque than wafer paper. And when you brush this on the icing sheet, it does give you a pretty good gold shine. And it obviously is deeper than the wafer paper because it has that white backing that icing sheets have that wafer paper doesn't. So I would say that if you're going to use this dry on something that you're putting on the cake, the icing sheet would probably be better. See how reflective that was compared to the wafer. It still gets some reflection. It's just not as obvious. But if you really want to get a good shine with luster dust and you're going to be painting with it, you can make it into a paint. So you can use any type of liquid that's going to evaporate quickly to do this. If you want to use water, you can. That might evaporate a little slower. This is brushing it onto the wafer paper, and you can see the difference between the wafer paper dry and wet. And you have to be careful with wafer paper because too much moisture will make it buckle. And it did do that to this. But it doesn't really matter because you could use it on icing sheets if you want to use a lot. And that doesn't buckle the same way that wafer paper does. And see the shine here on the icing sheet is a lot deeper just because it's opaque. So you can brush this on wet or dry. And depending on the effect that you want to get, it might be better to do one or the other, but you can experiment with that. And because it's completely edible, you can put it on buttercream directly and on the cakes directly, and you can paint this on fondant. But see, this is a piped buttercream flour, and I'm painting it on the edges. It has crusted over a little bit, so it gives me a little bit of a firm surface to work with. But you can paint the edges of buttercream with the gold color. Like I said, this does come in more colors than just gold. I'll put the link to the description in the description to go to Amazon to check out what they have. And like I said, they did send me this as a sample, so that's my disclosure for that. And the Amazon link will be my affiliate link. But go check this out because it's a good quality luster dust. It gives you a good shine. This video does not do it justice. I wish that I had been able to pick it up, but as you pick it up and make it reflect in the light, you can definitely see it. But this is a really nice color luster dust. And like I said, it does come in multiple colors. So go check it out.